Alright, I found a nice ramen place I wanted to go to. Because I was like, okay, even though I'm tired as fuck, I should just go do something. But then my phone is also almost dead. So I went there, ran around, couldn't find it because, you know, it's in one of those like multi-story buildings. My phone was like about to die, and I was like, all right, I actually just got here. I don't know if I can get my way back home without my phone. So I just went to the convenience store for the first time, got a couple things. And yes, I've seen influencers get this shit. That's why I got it. Some water, because I'm still fucking sick and it's cold as shit here. So I can feel it. Also, because I'm sick, I got a Suntory highball. Let's go, dude. Kaku highball. And then I just got a couple sandwiches. I didn't want to run around forever. This fruit one too. Seen a lot of people get it. Fuck it, dude. Let's just do some beer. First day, first beer. Let's see how Suntory highball is. Interesting. It definitely has. I don't want to be wrong, but I definitely want to say it has like a similar taste you get with sake. It's a lot lighter, obviously, because it's beer. And I know nothing about this, so either I'm being racist or it's made of similar shit. Okay. Alright, let's do the egg bad boy first. Eggy. Oh, I can smell it already. That might be a bad sign. Let's see. Let's see. Just opens this shit and it's fucking raw. It's fucking raw. Fuck, it's gonna be a mess. I didn't get a fucking napkin. God damn it. That's what it looks like. You know, pretty typical what you've seen in every fucking video that's ever been posted on the internet about this place. I think most people would separate these, right? All right, most people separate them because, you know, it's huge, but I'm gonna do this one time. Not bad. Not bad. All right, let's try the dessert one. Definitely good. I don't know how often I'll get it, but that's because kind of the point for me is to actually try like fucking restaurants and shit here, if I can fucking find them. And since I'm sick, I'm in a bad mood, so it feels really bad being here for my first day, and I just like don't want to look at people, or I mean, they don't want to talk to me anyway, but I want to be more open. Okay, let's see. The old fruit. Okay. It's so crazy being here. Like, I literally walked into my apartment after doing this, and I saw some girl sitting on the ground, like with her tripod up, filming herself. And I don't know. I just don't know if I could do it. Just seems like the thing everybody does in Japan. Like, I want to document this shit for like me, and obviously my dialogue is like for somebody else too, but I don't fucking know, dude. I'm gonna be that dude one day, just gonna be out there fucking jerking it with my tripod. I think that's illegal here. I don't know. I'll find out. All right. This shit's just really light. The The cream is super lightly sweet. And then obviously it's real fruit in here, so that's gonna be lightly sweet. And then I don't know what the fuck this bread is. I mean, it's the same bread on both, but it's almost like... I don't know, I'm curious, like, what the really basic white bread in America, that kind of looks like this, what it would taste like on the same stuff. Might taste the same. All right. Fuck it, bro. Well, that's it for my little eating video. I'll show you guys my apartment a little bit too. I started doing a video, but I was like, I don't want to do this. I'm dead. I have 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks before school starts. Cannot believe I'm still sick. I've been sick for like a month straight. But it's a nice little cute place. Just turned the heater on before I left. It's already way warmer in here. Nice. 21 degrees Celsius. You know, gotta get that 69 sweet spot. It's perfect. Anyway, see me or y'all around in the next one. Later.